Yes, good morning, everyone. Please change your name, Manas. Open your
Good
camera.
morning, ma'am.
Camera should be open.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Sorry, ma'am, I am late.
Cameras should be
Good
open.
morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, open your cameras.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, open your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Do not repeat it again and again. Open your cameras.
Good morning, ma'am.
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 Yes, good morning,
Good morning.
everyone. And do not repeat your good mornings. बस एक बार good morning बोल दिया. Okay. Do not repeat it again and again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Open your cameras. Good morning, everyone. Just open your cameras. Open your camera. Anmol Singh, open your camera. Anmol Singh, open your camera.
Ma'am, and how we will change the background?
Manas, please try yourself, okay? Because I will not be able to explain right now because we are lacking so much back in the this syllabus. Try yourself in the video option. I can tell you just this much. Try yourself in the video option. It is coming virtual background. From there you can change it. All right? Okay, Yajat.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all right, Yajat. No issues. But your camera should be on. Acha, camera should be on. Zoya, open your camera. Manas Garg, open your camera. Okay, let's start the next one. Fill in the blanks with correct sign. Okay, this we have to do now. Fill in the blanks with the correct sign. Greater than, smaller than, lesser than.
Yes, ma'am. We are done it. Ma'am, we are done it to exercise.
I know well, beta. Let's start. Wait a second. This one should be closed. Okay. Now let me take out your maths pen notebooks, a new page. Nandini, open your camera. Take out maths pen notebooks, a new page. Take out maths pen notebooks, a new page in your maths pen notebooks. See what you have to do in this one. Wait a second. Look here on my board. Look first at my board. What is there? We have to compare the numbers. If we have to compare the numbers, how we will compare the numbers? Comparison means to see which is greater or which is smaller. Suppose if I give you a number 209190 and I give you a box over here and then I write 290 comma 190. So this is the question. So how will I check it? See, the first digit is 2. See, the second digit is 09 and here we are having 90. So which is greater? Obviously 90 is greater than 09. So that will be greater. If I give you the question as 209 109 and 209 019. Okay, now see both the numbers. What you have written it. Okay, see, 2 is here, 2 is here. It's 09 and 09. 109 or 019, which is greater?
019.
019 or 019. See, 019 equals, listen, listen. Instead of speaking, you can speak, but when I will tell you, not now. 019 is 19 and 109 will be 109 like this. So 109 is greater than the 19. Okay, so this one, that means this will be greater. And the side, when something is big, the mouth should be open on that side. When somebody gives you a big bite, how do you open your mouth? How do you open your mouth when somebody gives you a big bite? When someone gives you a big bite, how do you open your mouth? Yes, very good. Like this, Sarthak. Like Sarthak is only showing me what others are doing. Yes,
Ma'am, I
Devanshu.
also.
Yes, the number which is big will be the mouth will be the bigger one. And when somebody will give you a very small bite, like very small bite, then how do you open your mouth?
Ma'am,
Yes.
like this.
Yes. So the mouth small means the smaller number and mouth big means the bigger number. All right. Okay. Now this you will do it yourself because this is very easy. Do it. Start doing this. Maths Fair notebook, new page. Clear your Maths Fair notebooks and do not switch your camera off. I am keeping a check on everyone. Okay. Take out your Maths Fair notebooks. New page.
Ma'am, I have already done. Ma'am, I have also already done this.
Ma'am, I also already done.
You have already done this. Greater than and smaller than.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday I've given you this question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But yesterday I think you were not. We have not done the answers. Answers were left, है ना?
Yes,
Ma'am, I have done answers.
Yes, ma'am.
But you have done the answers, but I forgot to tell you the answers, right?
Yes.
Sorry, the period was left. A period was finished. Period was not this over, so I was not able to tell you the answers. Okay, one by one, I'm going to ask you and if from each one of you. Okay. Yes, Raj, tell me the first answer. Which is greater, 371,000 or 324,000? Which is greater, Yes, Raj? Mishti, switch off your mic as soon as possible. Otherwise, I'll throw you out of the meeting right now. Huh? Yes, Raj, tell me.
3,007.
371,000, beta. Say 300. Say, Yash Raj, say 300.
300.
71,000. Yes. Speak the whole number. 371,000.
231.
Very good. Speak the next number, Yash Raj. Sorry, Yash Raj. Speak this next number.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Speak the next. No, not
Excuse me.
excused. Not excused. Yash
Ma'am.
Raj. No, not excused. Yash Raj.
Ma'am,
Say the
my
next.
mother have some work for 7 minutes, ma'am. My mother have some work to me.
Okay, Rishabh. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yash
can I
Raj.
leave?
You can leave. Yash Raj, listen, beta. Yash Raj, listen. Tell me the second
Yes.
वाला जो number है इसमें वो read करके you can tell. Can you read that second number?
4,000.
नहीं बेटा इसका 324 वाला number. You have to read the 3241 number. यशराज बोलो बेटा. Speak. Read it as 324,000. Read.
324,000. 134.
Very good. Okay. Chalo. Sarthak, tell me the second answer. Which is greater? 401. Speak the number. You have to read the whole number.
Ma'am, 4,1,934 is the bigger number.
Very good, Sarthak. Very well done. Okay, now let me see.
Okay, ma'am.
Karthik will tell me the third answer. Which is greater, Karthik?
803.
Karthik, don't ask from anyone. You have to tell yourself. Nobody will ask from anybody. You have to speak yourself. Karthik, stop talking from your mother, whosoever it is there. You are taking class. You have to look here and speak now.
950. 831 and 915 is the
And
answer.
नहीं आएगा बेटा, उस and की जगह 1000 आएगा. Okay, 831,915. And don't talk to anyone when you when you sit in class. When you're taking class, don't talk to anyone. All right, Devansh, tell me the fourth one.
Ma'am, 591
No, beta. Speak the whole number in the number name form. Why your video is off, Devansh? Switch on your video, huh?
Ma'am, 591,326.
Very good. 591,396. 396, 326, no, sorry. 326, okay?
Ma'am,
Please tell me the next one. Fifth one. Sheesh.
yes, ma'am, I am telling.
Tell it quickly. Which one is greater? Tell the number which is greater.
Ma'am, 2 lakh.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 2 lakh.
Hmm.
879.
No. You don't speak 00. You don't say it as 00.
Ma'am, like 2,879.
No, it's not 2000. No, it's not 2. Is it not?
Sorry,
1000,
2 lakh.
Yes, 2 lakh and
879.
yes, that is correct. Very good. 2 lakhs 879. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, can I have present?
please keep your mic off. Nobody will speak in between. Okay, Stuti, tell me the next answer.
1,29,226.
Speak again, beta.
Ma'am, 1,29,226.
Very good, Stuti. 1,29,200. Stuti, can you read the next number which is given? Sirf read karna hai. Ye 99 wala. What is that number? Read that number.
Ma'am, 99,999.
Okay, all right. Very good. Zoya, tell the last one. Zoya is wearing so much colorful clothes, hai?
I'm all saying.
Haan, Zoya, tell the seventh one. Zoya, tell the seventh one. Yes, Zoya. नहीं आता है. Why is beta? Try to करो at least. Try it, Zoya. Try. Huh? Both are? Read that, but read the number. Both are equal, but read the number. What is the number?
7 lakh.
Yes, good.
300.
7 lakh, 6,000 and
300.
beta. Yes, you are right, Zoya. But why are you so scared? Why were you not speaking? You are absolutely right. Speak again. Chalo, speak again and properly. You speak so well. I know. I have seen you in videos. You speak so well. But now you are not speaking. Why so? Speak.
7 lakh. 7 lakh. 6,000.
Yes.
300.
Very good. But you speak so much in videos. Why are you not speaking now, Zoya? Huh? Chalo, these are the answers. Check your answers, everyone. I'll share it on the WhatsApp group also.
My all are correct.
All right. So I'm going to share it on the WhatsApp group. Acha, beta, one,
Correct answer.
one question was left. One question was left that I'm going to make you write down. Just give me a minute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm Arab Solfi.
90.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm Arab Solfi.
Harav. Yes, Harav.
Ma'am, this answer I send the WhatsApp group.
Hmm. No need to
ma'am.
send. No.
Okay.
But I'm sharing on the WhatsApp group as well as D group. Please join D group, those who have not joined it. Okay, Acha, I was telling you one question was left. Okay, now take out new page. What I'm going to tell you, just do that. Just give me a second. Take out new page in your maths पे notebook. एक बीच में question रह गया था हमारा exercise number 11 1.9 का. Okay, that we are going to start now right now. Okay, so that is of place value.
Yes, ma'am.
Obviously, I told you right now only that take out one new page. Take out maths fair notebook, a new page. After completing this, that we will complete this, then we will start the round off or estimation, you can say. All right. Open your cameras. Arush, Anmol, Arpit, Harsh, and Yuvraj Singh too. I'll throw you out if you're not going to switch on your cameras. All right. Where is that picture on? Wait a second. 1.9. Open your maths pair notebook. जितना मैं बोल रही हूँ, start doing that. First of all, अभी I'm showing you something. You'll come to know what to do. Take out your maths pair notebook, a new page in your maths pair notebooks. All right. So as you can see here, what you have to do, same page nahi, it's written, wait, I'm changing here. It should not be same page. It should be new page. Erase.
Exercise 1.9.
Wait a second, abhi start nahi karna likhna. Who is this making such noises? I'm making few changes. Don't start writing. New page. I'm making few changes. Right at the top, right exercise. Wait. Right exercise 1.9. Start doing this. What you have to do, okay. Arush, read the question. What is the question, Arush? Read question C.
Find the place value of the
Encircled. Say
encircled
encircled digits. Say digits.
and digits.
Yes. Find the place value of the encircled digits. What do you mean by encircle? Encircle means inside a circle. The number which are inside the circle, you have to tell its place value. For example, in first one, if you see first question, dekho, wait. You can see the red light. Abhi you will see the red light. Are you able to see red light? Okay, now see here. First one, 143802. Here 4. If you can see this 4, it is encircled. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. This is 10,000. So आप सिर्फ 10,000 नहीं लिखोगे. You will write 4,000 also along with it. 4,000 also. And what you will write here, 4,000 के साथ 40,000 will be written over here. All right. Here it will be 40,000. You can write any one of them. Either you write 4 10,000 or you write 4 40,000. Any one of them.
Ma'am, like
Okay, you
ma'am,
can.
like this.
I can't see right now. Okay, I have to see your face. Start doing it without showing me. You are grown up enough. I think, Manas, you are grown up enough and you know how to write in notebook. है ना? So you know how to write a notebook? I think so. Beta, write either 4,000 or 40,000. Both are correct. Any one of them, not one, not both. Write any one of them. इन दोनों में से कोई भी आप one method use कर सकते हो. Both are correct. Okay?
Ma'am, what can we write first question answer?
Which one? Anyone. Beta, whatever you find easy. If you find 4,000 easy, you 10,000 easy, then you can do in this way. And if you want to write 40,000, then it is also correct. Both the answers are correct, but you have to write any one of them. Not both, any one of them. Please keep your mics off.
I have done.
Send it, send it. If you have done, send it. Beta, write any one file type. Don't do both the types. Athar Singh, Arpit, open your camera. Zoya, where are you? Yes. Send your answers as soon as you complete it, okay?
Ma'am, I have done.
Send it.
And I have sent.
I have sending.
Okay, let me check it. This is 4th B, right? This is 4th B. Okay, I got Athar Singh's answer. Okay, Athar Singh, good. Athar Singh, Ashtal, your handwriting is becoming not good these days.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm Arav Solanki.
Yes. Beta, no need to write. Yes, beta, wait a second. Listen to me carefully. Do not write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. If you are writing in zeros form, write only 1, 0. That's enough.
Excuse me, ma'am. I am Arav Solanki.
Yes, Arav, what problem you have now?
Ma'am, I send work.
No need to tell me. I am on WhatsApp and I can see very well. Okay?
Okay.
I think you are attending the class for the first time. And open your video. If you're not opening your video, I'll throw you out. Zoya, correct. Zoya, no need to write 00000. Write only once.
Ma'am, my video is on.
Keep your mic off and video on. That's it. And keep it on throughout. Now it is on. Your video is always off. Beta, Karthik, you also write. All the answers are correct except the 0000. Write only 10. That's enough. Devansh, correct. Write only 10. Arav Solanki, correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Karthik Kumar Arun, correct. Now, Arpit, very good Arpit. Arpit, बेटा पहले से छोड़ दिया था क्या स्पेस इसके लिए? हाँ Arpit, you already left some space in between. What is written on the next page, Arpit? What is written on the next page, Arpit? Arpit. Okay, let me take your attendance. Quickly give me your attendance. Let me see. This is 4th B. Okay.
Ma'am, I am sending work, so I am
Arush is
closing my video.
present. Okay. Wait a second. Let me take your attendance first. I'll not. Nobody will speak unless I'll take your attendance. Oh, what's this? Anmol Singh. Anmol Singh.
Present, ma'am.
All right. Arav Solanki present. Arpit present. Athar Singh present. Avni is absent. She's never present in class. Wait. Avni. Devansh Verma. Devansh Verma present.
I'm present.
Dhruv Singh is absent always. Harsh Patel is present, but I will mark him absent because he is not switching on his video. So Harsh Patel absent. Kanishka absent. Karthik Ramomar Arvind present. Manaskar present. Nandini present. Pratyaksh is absent today. Rishabh present. Samya absent. Sarthak Agarwal present. Sarthak, you were not there in the previous this.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Sorry, ma'am.
Why? Tell me the reason. She's
Ma'am,
present.
because my phone, ma'am, my laptop network is finished.
Present. Suprema absent. Vikas is present today. I don't think so. He's present. Yajat is present. Yashraj Mahajan is present. Yuvraj Singh. Yashraj, up last year, so you don't attend the class, huh? Yuvraj Singh present. Zoya present. Huh, Yuvraj? Why don't you? Oh, yeah, Yashraj, you don't attend the class last year. Done, all of you? Okay, let me check your answer.
Because
Manas.
ma'am, in this
Manas, correct, but improve your handwriting. Sheesh, correct. Very good, Sheesh.
Am I all correct?
बेटा मानस क्या मैं 4 बार एक ही बात बोलूं सेम टू सेम? अभी मैंने बोला मानस ऑल करेक्ट बट योर राइटिंग इज नॉट गुड. दैट्स ऑल आई सेड. माय होल इज करेक्ट. इसमें कुछ स्पेशल लगाऊं बेटा मैं? वेट अ मिनट आरुष. इसमें कुछ स्पेशल बोलना था मुझे. दैट ऑल ऑफ योर आंसर्स आर करेक्ट. आरुष करेक्ट. अनमोल करेक्ट. Anmol, beta, one is wrong. Third one में I just put 1 0. See, there it is encircled. 0.
Okay, ma'am. I am put 1 0.
Okay, so let me tell you the answers. As some of you, I'll check it afterwards. See किसका रह गया है अभी. Rishabh correct. Rishabh has done in a different way. Rishabh, one more thing. Beta, when you are writing in this way, put S in the end. 10,000s. SS you have to put in the end. Lakhs, 10,000, 6,000. Only Rishabh has done in this way. Okay, so I'm telling you only one way. It is 7 lakh. Like this. Okay, this one. Who's this? You know, I have not seen the name. You know, I can see the name within seconds if you are going to do that. Okay. Then here you are going to write only 0. That's it. Here it will come only 0. And here it will be 6,000. It will be 6,000. And here it will be only 1. See, these are your answers. I know I have seen most of your answers is like this only. Nandini, third one, make it only 0. Nandini, make it only 0. Now, any one of you can tell me, okay, who is this? Molly, Mishti. Beta, third one is wrong. It should be only 1 0. It should be only 1 0.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So I think we have done. So I'm going to stop sharing this one, and I'm going to share the picture of this one. This question on the WhatsApp group. Wait a second. Fourth CD. ABCD. Wait a second. I'll share a picture on your WhatsApp group of this 4th BD group.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I go to washroom. Aarab Solanki.
Yes. Okay. So I'm going to stop sharing this screen. Now we are going to start the next one. See here. Now look at me. Today, now we are going to start. Now we are going to start reasoning. Oh, sorry, not reasoning. Sorry. And yes, but we do not have a reasoning period also. So I'll teach you reasoning in one of the maths period. So let's hear what I was going to teach you. Yes, round off, not reasoning. It was round off. Sorry. Round off.
Yes, ma'am, I know round off.
Everyone knows, so be quiet, okay? Okay, now can you tell me how much money do you have in your piggy banks? In the chat box. In the chat box, do not open your mic and start shouting. Write in the chat box. How much money do you have in your piggy banks? Okay, somebody said 6,000. I'll not tell the name. I'll not tell the name. कि किसने क्या लिखा है? Okay. Oh, sorry. Somebody said 3,000. Okay. Okay. One said rupees 300. All right. I will not take the name. Okay. Somebody said 4,000. Okay. Whatever you have, literally you see that. Don't think, ma'am, 3,000, 6,000, मैं 5,000 बोल दे रहा हूँ. ऐसे नहीं. How much you have? All of you know how much money you have, or you can think in your mind. हाँ, इतना तो होगा मेरे पास. Like this, you can count in your mind, na? Okay, somebody said about 7,000. Somebody said a very good answer. I got about 7,000. You can tell me. I will not disclose your name. Yes, let me see. Somebody else, anybody else who wants to type the money? Only 7,000, 3,000. सबके पास इतना ही है. किसी के पास 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupees, 5 rupees नहीं है. Huh? Is there anyone? I'll not take your name. They will not be able to see. Type in the chat box. How much money? Only I will be able to see and I will not see. Huh? Stuti, you are showing something?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, in 1905 of rupees, there is British coin. Yes, ma'am.
There is? In 95 rupees there is?
Coin.
Which coin?
British coin. British coin.
British coin?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, you have like the British coin. All right. So how
Ma'am,
much
I
money?
have 3 British coin.
Tell me in rupees, how many rupees will it be? How many rupees will it be?
Ma'am,
Huh? Now look here. See, somebody said 6,000. अच्छा चलो अभी मैं अच्छा 50,000. Oh my God, 80,000. आप किसी के पास रुपीस में नहीं, रुपीस 5 इतने नहीं है. रुपीस 135 रुपीस. हाँ, किसी के पास इतने नहीं है या 5,035 रुपीस. Like this much amount. किसी ने पूरा पूरा काउंट ही नहीं किया है. आपके पास रुपीस 5, रुपीस 8, रुपीस 6, रुपीस 5
no,
है ही नहीं. 20 रुपीस, 10 रुपीस. हाँ स्तुति.
Ma'am, I have 150 rupees.
100, how much?
Ma'am, 150 rupees.
100. Okay, very good. Somebody told me that 100.
Ma'am, and I 99 rupees.
99 rupees. Okay, very good. I got one more answer. Somebody got 99 rupees also. Very good. Yes, Tuti.
मैम मेरे पास 6,000 से भी ज्यादा थे बट मैंने सारे
उड़ा दिए. उड़ा दिए क्या होता है ये? उड़ा दिए क्या होता है? ऐसे करके ऐसे लिया और उड़ा दिया. You take the coins and उड़ा दिया होंगे वो. हाँ? You did that, Tuti?
No, friend did.
है? What you did? उसे लिया और उड़ा दिया ऐसे करके. उड़ जाता है. उसके विंग्स है. Does it have wings? कि वो उड़ गए और वो उड़ गए. हाँ स्तुति, और वो उड़ गए. माइक बेटा माइक. इन्होंने उड़ा दिए. स्तुति ने तो उड़ा दिए. Okay. Now let's see here. Okay. So what happened? See, somebody said about 7,000. I know many. अब आपने जो मुझे ये मनी बताया, I know आपके पास किसी के पास इतना होगा 6,010 रुपीज होंगे, जिसके पास 10 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा होंगे, लाइक कहीं से मिल जाते हैं. तो किसी के पास जैसे मुझे बताया रुपीज 99 है. तो आप मुझे 99, अब मैंने पूछे आपसे, okay 49 also I got the answer. If I ask you how much rupees you have, you said 99. अब 99 में 1 रुपी ही तो कम है. So you told me 100 rupees. मैम मेरे पास 100 rupees है. Like 300 वाले जो होंगे ना, उनके पास 300 नहीं होंगे exactly. जो 300 वाला था इसके पास 300 rupees नहीं होंगे. इसके पास 310 भी हो सकते हैं, 305 rupees भी हो सकते हैं. And he may have the 299 rupees also. If he has 299 rupees also, then he will also say that I am having 300 rupees, right? So this is known as round off. This is known as round off. That he is rounding off 299 to 33. जिसके पास 310 थे, they also say 300 rupees. जिसके पास 305 थे, because 5 rupees does not matter. अगर मैं 305 लिखूंगी, does not look nice, so it will look nice is, suppose you go to market and you bought rupees 10,990 rupees. Suppose you go to market and buy something which is 10,990 rupees. अब वो क्या हुआ? 10 rupees ही तो कम है ना? So what you will say? Somebody ask you, how much have you bought this? Suppose you bought a fridge and that fridge is of rupees 10,990. You bought one fridge. This is a fridge and this fridge is of 10,900. Somebody ask you, fridge कितने का लिया भाई? ऐसे सुना है? Fridge कितने का लिया भाई? Huh? Have you heard about like this? Talking elders like this? है ना? So what they will say? They will not say 10,990. They will say 11,000 directly, because 10 rupees ही तो less है. 10 rupees ही तो less है. अगर 10 rupees और होंगे तो वो 11,000 का हो जाएगा. तो जहाँ 10,000 इतने ढेर सारे spend किए हैं, पर 10 rupees it doesn't matter. So it will be, you will say 11,000. जैसे इसने 6,000 बताया, हो सकता है इसके पास 5,990 rupees हो. तो इसने मुझे 6,000 बता दिया, है ना? हो सकता है इसके पास 6,000 रुपीज हो और 10 रुपीज और रखे हो. So these are round off. जो हम ये about, अच्छा किसी ने मुझे बताया about 7,000. I'll not take the name of the child who said that, but yes, about 7,000. About 7,000 means, okay, beta, this period should be over right